Hi everyone! Today in this tutorial we will show you the cordless power of the Kovax tools in removing small imperfections. We will use our touch-up sander paired with the latest additions to our system, the Chargema X 75mm polishers. We will start by removing this imperfection using Tolecut 1500. Then we create a smooth finish by using Buflex 3000, preparing the surface for the first step of polishing. The compact, lightweight 75mm polishers are perfect to finish this job. It gives you the ultimate freedom, keeping your work small and efficient. Another advantage, it uses the same battery as the touch-up sander. Choosing the right pad is simple. Just check the label on our compound bottles. Each one clearly shows which pad to use. We'll start with the blue heavy cut pad and Buflex Shine heavy cut compound. Then finish with the fine pad and ultra fine compound for a high gloss result. With just a few steps, we remove the imperfection in no time. Go try yourself the ultimate power with precision today.